Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Chemical Guys leather cleaning kit on the market. The Chemical Guys SPI-109-04 Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Complete Leather Care Kit. Whether you're caring for your car's leather interior, leather apparel, furniture, shoes, or bags, this kit promises a thorough and effective solution to keep your leather looking fresh and well-maintained. Leather is a beautiful material, but it requires special attention to stay in great condition. Without proper care, leather can dry out, crack, and lose its natural luster. That's where this kit steps in. It combines a leather cleaner and a leather conditioner, working together as the perfect duo to restore and preserve leather's softness, durability, and appearance. The leather cleaner included is pH-balanced, colorless, and odorless. It penetrates deep into the pores of the leather, lifting out dirt, grease, and oils without causing any damage or discoloration. This ensures a clean surface that's ready for conditioning. The conditioner is infused with vitamin E, which nourishes the leather to help protect it from daily wear and tear. It also leaves a subtle, pleasant leather scent that enhances the fresh feel of your leather items. Using the kit is straightforward and user-friendly. Start by vacuuming the leather area to remove any loose debris. Next, apply the leather cleaner to the surface and allow it to sit for a few minutes. This lets the cleaner loosen grime and oils embedded in the leather. After this, use a soft horsehair brush, which is gentle enough to avoid scratches, to scrub the surface and remove dirt. Once clean, wipe away any residue with a clean microfiber towel. The final step is conditioning. Apply the leather conditioner with a premium microfiber applicator, working it evenly into the leather. Depending on the condition of your leather, you might want to apply 2 or 3 coats to achieve the best results. The conditioner penetrates the leather, replenishing moisture and flexibility, which helps prevent cracking and fading. One great feature of this kit is its versatility. It's safe for all types of leather, including natural, synthetic, and colored leather. Whether your leather is in your vehicle, on your furniture, or part of your clothing or accessories, this kit can handle the job without harsh chemicals or damaging effects. The bottles come in a convenient size, making the kit easy to store and use. Plus, Chemical Guys is a trusted brand in car care and leather maintenance, known for delivering quality products and expert support to their customers. If you want to keep your leather looking new and feeling soft for years to come, this kit provides a complete and effective solution. It's a perfect combination of cleaning power and nourishing conditioning, all while being safe and easy to use. That's all for today's review on the Chemical Guys SPI-109-04 Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you next time.